ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ಹಾಗೂ SSLC ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಷಯದ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಘಟಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಥವಾ 3 ಅಂಕದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ತಾವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಲಭ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಂತ. ಈಗ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇದು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. First, difference between ammeter and voltmeter. Ammeter is used to measure the current, or voltmeter is used to measure the voltage. ಅದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Second difference, connected in series in the electric circuit, connected in parallel in electric circuits. Third difference, has low resistance, voltmeter daga has high resistance. Next one, the difference between resistivity and resistance. Resistivity of a material is the resistance of a wire of that materials of unit length and unit cross section area. Resistance is the opposition to flow of electric current in a substance. Second difference, it is an intrinsic properties, it is an extrinsic properties. Third difference, the resistivity of a conductor is always same and is independent of its length or size. The resistance of a conductor is dependent on its length or size. Fourth difference, the unit of resistance is ohm meter. The unit of resistivity is ohm meter. The unit of resistance is ohm. The difference between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. One side saturated hydrocarbons, other side unsaturated hydrocarbons. First difference, these have a single bond in between carbon atoms. Unsaturated hydrocarbon daga these have double or triple bond in between carbon atoms. Saturated hydrocarbons, second difference, are less reactive. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are more reactive. Saturated hydrocarbons examples, alkanes and cycloalkanes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons examples, alkenes ಮತ್ತು alkynes. Difference between homologous and analogous organs. Homologous organs are the organs which have commonly origin but perform different functions. Analogous organs are the organs which have different origins but perform similar functions. Second difference is homologous organs examples, wings of birds and worms are of humans. Analogous organs are different examples, wings of bats and wings of butterfly. Next one, the difference between the oxidation and reductions. Oxidation is a addition of oxygen is called oxidation. Reduction definitions, removal of oxygen is called reductions. Second difference, loss of electron takes place. Reduction daga gain of electron takes place. Oxidation is the process of removal of hydrogen. Reduction is the process of addition of hydrogen. Next, difference between arteries and veins. Arteries, these carry blood away from the blood. Veins, these carry blood towards the heart. Second difference, the flow of blood is fast in the arteries. Veins, the flow of water is slow in veins. Next one, the difference between concave and convex mirrors. Concave mirrors are the converging mirrors. Convex mirrors are the diverging mirrors. Second difference, inner surface acts as a reflecting surface. Convex mirror the outer surface acts as a reflecting surfaces. Third difference is concave mirror used in headlights of the vehicles. Convex mirrors used as rear view mirrors of the vehicles. Next one, the difference between concave and convex lens. Concave lens is the thin in the middle and thick at the edges. Convex lens is the thick in the middle and thin at the edges. Second difference, these are called as diverging lens. These are called as converging lens. Third difference is always produce real and inverting images. It produces both real and virtual images. Ninth difference is AC dynamo and DC dynamo. AC dynamo produces alternating current. DC dynamo produces direct current. In AC dynamo, armature rotates with slip rings. In DC dynamo, armature rotates with split rings. AC dynamo, the direction of the current changes in every half revolutions. In DC dynamo, the direction of the current does not change. Next, difference between the motor and dynamo. Motor. Motor, it is a device which converts electric energy into the mechanical energy. Dynamo is a device which converts the mechanical energy into the electrical energy. Second difference is motor is uses electricity. Dynamo is generated electricity. Third one, motor works on the principle of motor rule or Fleming left hand rule. Dynamo works on the principle of dynamo rule, Fleming right hand rule. Next difference between the corrosion and density. Corrosion is the process of slow and steady destructions of metals by oxidations. Density is the process of oxidation of oils which produces fuel smell. Corrosion, example of corrosions, rusting of iron, example of density, oxidation of oils and fats. Next, difference between exothermic and endothermic reactions. First difference, exothermic reactions is the reactions in which heat is liberated. Endothermic reaction is the reaction in which heat is absorbed. Second difference, example of exothermic reactions, digestion of food. C plus O2 goes to CO2 plus heat. Example of endothermic reactions, melting of ice. Another example, CaCO3 plus heat goes to CaCO plus CaO plus CO2. Next difference, biodegradable substances and non-biodegradable substances. The difference between the biodegradable differences and not biodegradable. First difference, the waste decomposes naturally in the environment. The waste does not decompose naturally. They are safe for environment. They are harmful to environment and create pollutions. Example, waste paper, cow dung, plant waste. Non-biodegradable substance example plastic bags, cans, etc. These all are the important difference between the science terms. ಇಷ್ಟು 13 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈ 13 ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ರೂಢಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇ ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ 2ರಿಂದ 3 ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಚಾನಲ್ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ SSLC ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾನು ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್.